In this video, I will show you how to create a personal assistant using Zapier Central by utilizing your company's FAQ page to answer any customer email and save you a ton of time. Are you ready? Let's go! The story here is that you are working for Shopify, maybe on a customer support team, and you are frequently getting emails from customers asking similar questions. To automate that work, we're gonna give our bot access to our FAQ page, and we're gonna ask it to draft email replies that we can easily send back to the customers. And to achieve that, we're gonna use the Chrome extension for Zapier Central. To start with, let's install the Chrome extension. We go to Google, we search for Zapier Central Chrome extension, we search, and then the second result, we add it to Chrome, we press add extension, and it's now installed. Don't forget to pin it so you can easily access it. And we're ready. So now let's go to our Zapier Central and create a new assistant. The name will be maybe FAQ assistant. And we need to give some instructions. The instructions is for the assistant to know what to do with each case. So for our case, we will say that you are my personal FAQ assistant working for Shopify. Your job is to read carefully the email we receive from the customer and then go to our FAQ page, which is shopify.com/FAQ, and do your best to answer the question, and then create a draft reply email so we can answer. We can also add this rule, use HTML to format the text if we want reads email replies. So only thing missing now is to add the action. We're gonna give access to the bot to the action that creates draft replies to emails in Gmail, and save it. And then create the assistant. The assistant is ready, and now you're gonna see the magic of what we just built. Now on Gmail, we have a customer that sent an email about some questions that she has about international sales on Shopify, if we support multiple languages, currencies. To answer that email, we're gonna open our Chrome extension from the top right, then pick the assistant we just created, and tell it to create a draft reply to this customer. Make sure to check our FAQ page for answers. And I will send this message. Now the assistant will pick up and will go to Shopify FAQ to read all the questions and answer the questions the customer has. It visited the website, the browsing completed, and now it's getting all the answers and drafting the email so we can have it ready for a reply. The draft reply is ready. It also shows us a quick preview. And it created a draft, and it says that we can review it back on the email account. To do that, I will refresh the page. And as you can see, the reply is under the original message as a draft. We can review it, we can add anything we want, and then send it to the user. I hope this automation saved you a ton of time, and you can use similar automations for your workflow. Thank you so much, and see you in the next episode. Bye.